In this video, we're going to use Cramer's rule to solve a system of linear equations with two variables. Let's say we're given this system, 3x plus 4y equals 17, and 6x minus 2y equals 10. Our goal is to find the values of x and y using Cramer's rule. Step 1. Identify the coefficients. This system follows the form a1x plus b1y equals c1, and a2x plus b2y equals c2. From the equations, a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 4, and b2 is negative 2. For the constants, c1 is 17 and c2 is 10. Step 2. Calculate the main determinant. Capital DD is a 2x2 determinant made from the coefficients of x and y. We write it as a matrix with a1 and b1 on the top row, a2 and b2 on the bottom row. To evaluate a 2x2 determinant, we use the formula d equals a1 times b2 minus b1 times a2. From our system, we know a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 4, and b2 is negative 2. Now plug the values into the formula. D equals 3 times negative 2 minus 4 times 6. That gives us negative 6 minus 24, which equals negative 30. So the main determinant D is negative 30. Now let's calculate dx is also a 2x2 determinant. This time, we replace the x column with the constants c1 and c2 while keeping the y column the same. To evaluate dx, we use the same determinant formula. Dx equals c1 times b2 minus b1 times c2. Substituting in the values, c1 is 17, c2 is 10, b1 is 4, and b2 is negative 2. Now apply the formula, dx equals 17 times negative 2 minus 4 times 10. That gives us negative 34 minus 40, which equals negative 74. So dx is negative 74. Now let's calculate dy. We replace the y column with the constants c1 and c2 and keep the x column the same. To evaluate dy, we use the determinant formula. Dy equals a1 times c2 minus c1 times a2. Substituting in the values, a1 is 3, a2 is 6, c1 is 17, and c2 is 10. Now apply the formula. Dy equals 3 times 10 minus 17 times 6. That gives us 30 minus 102, which equals negative 72. So dy is negative 72. Now we're ready to solve for x and y. To find x, we divide dx by d. That's negative 74 over negative 30. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 2 gives x equals 37 over 15. Next, to find y, we divide dy by d. That's negative 72 over negative 30. Simplifying by dividing both by 6, we get y equals 12 over 5. Final solution, x equals 37 over 15 and y equals 12 over 5. If this lesson helped you understand Cramer's rule, check out more step-by-step walkthroughs right here on the channel. We break down algebra and geometry in a way that actually makes sense. Subscribe to Algebra and Geometry Explained for more clear and practical math lessons. Thanks for watching.